Dego baba.
My tamamu.
Yan, Dego baba.
Aisha, my tama.
You hear me? Imagine.
Aisha, why are you looking like this?
You see me, I looked at the difference.
What in the apple? What is happening now? Wall up.
You know me, okay, I come down to your level, Sianzu. You know, I want to be acting movie.
Yes.
Movie, like movie. So I decided to do practicalization. Today I start to do my practicalization. Let me, Mama, do you one kind of but I come to satire you. Okay, man, where is your money? Where is your money, man? I'm not to make a colonna. Kai, you are laughing. I will shoot you. I will pull the trigger.
You are acting criminal. You are acting criminal.
Kagane. I will hold my gun hacker. You see my cap, you see my anglers. I wear it. I will hold my gun hacker. So I will shoot people.
Aisha, my tamamu.
It is not that easy. Demand Martin. I've been grooving. I've been doing rehearsal. I can say practitioners. You call it what?
Practice. Rehearsal.
Rehearsal. Yeah. I've been doing the rehearsals with one song. The song is very sweet. She's one Igbo song. I do it for you so that you will mark me good.
Okay. You are using the Igbo song to do rehearsal of the gangster you want to play.
Yes.
Okay.
I do use the song.
Which song is that?
No, Abba is not around. Nobody's around. I use this room. I do one haka. Let me sing the song for you. You see how I do it. Go.
Okay, let me see. Let me hear.
Ego Diago. But when I put on Tassonia, when I do that Tassonia, good at Tassonia, eh? Put that Tassonia. Kai. Bala Kinunya highway. Ewa is the highway. Umika highway. Salon. Okay. You know the song, Kai, the song is
Which song is that?
You know the song
Which song are you singing?
Kai, you do me somehow, man. I can't like a man.
Which song? I do not usually Kakai Walaike. Which song is that? Is it an Igbo song?
Let me play the song for you.
Okay.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Yes, she. You see, let's dance, man.
I know the song now.
My legs is doing when how I like them. You like the song?
Oh, highway. I am down your highway.
Yeah, you got me that there. I said with the highway.
Aisha was wait first. Stop the song first. Stop the first song. Stop. Yes, wait first. Aisha, can you imagine, with everything that is happening in Nigeria, look at how happy we are. Do you know that yesterday I bought fuel 212 naira yesterday.
But I thought they say the government she debunked on you.
Leave that thing. I bought fuel 212 yesterday. With the cost of living in Nigeria, everything in Nigeria is high. There is no light, no good load. But see, we are still happy. Look at the way we are happy.
Happiness, Aisha is free. Happiness is free. You want to take all the problems of Nigeria, you want to put it on your head. So you will die before your time, and you die. Nigeria should leave it. On the Makawai day, you be the world. You carry the world a hankali. You do it gradualization.
Yes.
Haka will pass the
happiness is a choice.
Happiness is a choice. Where any place you find yourself, just try to make everything simple so that your mind will be at rest.
But Nigerians are very strong. Nigerians, we are very strong. What have we not seen? Even if they let them sell fuel 500 naira, we will still survive. Nigerians have survived worse time than this. What have we not seen? What thing we go do again? What thing we want to do again? Now to be happy. No matter what, we will be happy.
The only thing that we can do is to hold ourselves together when the election period should come 2023. We vote eligibly.
Yes.
When that time comes, they will not give us bag of rice. We will forget. We will sell our future, the future of our children for bag of rice, for small money up and down. We should just
if we can come together, we can make a change. We can change it collectively.
I agree with you. I agree.
Happiness is free. If they like, let them sell fuel 1,000. We will buy it. We will be happy.
We will buy it. Inshallah, God will provide money for us to buy it.
We have seen. 2023 will soon reach and we'll change it.
Barama, I ask you something. Since the man say that Nigeria we suffer for no food, no nothing, no. Have you heard they say somebody should die of hunger?
No.
Nobody. Me, I've never heard that somebody should die of hunger.
No.
In my opinion, that the hunger in Nigeria is too much, but nobody should die from hunger.
If you have, give your brother. We will survive. We will survive. Play that music.
Yes, I play some music so that we continue the characterization. Tell me whether I do right.
A second a street, no complete. Listen when they keep on walking.
Bye. Let me just know my wedding. I have wedding today. Bye. I have wedding to attend.
Bye. I continue my conversation.
Should be on a highway.
I know say you love me and I love you too. You want to just help me go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yamba Comedian, click on subscribe, it's free. Click on that bell too, and so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Go. We are begging you, please go.